Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 civics chapter 1 on equality. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you want to watch more such videos, you can get the link of playlist in the description box as well as in the end of the video. Viewers, please comment in the comment section and tell me where from you are watching the video. Let's start today's video. First question is, dash is a key feature of democracy and influences all aspects of its functioning. Answer is equality. Next question is, one of the more common forms of inequality in India is the dash system. Answer is caste. Caste is more common feature of inequality. Next question is, Om Prakash Valmiki was a dash writer. Answer is Dalit. He was a Dalit writer. Next question is, Jhutan was an dash of Om Prakash Valmiki. Answer is autobiography. It was autobiography of Om Prakash Valmiki. Next question is, Dalit means dash. Answer is broken. It means broken. Next question is, the government has tried to implement the equality, that is dash, in the constitution is through laws and through government programs. Answer is guaranteed. Government guaranteed. Next question is, the midday meal program has helped increase the dash and attendance of poor children in school. Answer is enrollment. Midday meal program increase enrollment and attendance of poor student. Next question is, Indian Constitution recognizes every person as dash. Answer is equal. Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. Next question is, when persons are treated unequally, their dash is violated. Answer is dignity. Their dignity is violated. Next question is, the movement that began in USA in 1950s, in which African American people demanded equal rights and end to racial discrimination, came to be known as dash. Answer is civil right movement. It was known as civil right movement. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and relatives, and do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and tell me where from you are watching the video. Comment me in the comment section, and do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Bye bye.